What is metacognition?
So one of the ways that I search for information to any topic is to do a Google search. Not necessarily only the web pages. So here is what I found when I looked for metacognition as a picture, as an image. It tells me a lot. Somebody has thought about metacognition in terms of what metacognition is, and he or she says, I have not recorded the source of it, but here's one picture that came up. How do I learn best? Multiple intelligences exist in a community of learners. Each learner has a set of optimal learning conditions and strategies. Reflection is a powerful and self-improvement learning tool. Answers to questions, guidance, and support can be found in many forms, mediums, and connections, which is exactly what I am doing. I then came across this particular picture, which may have been photoshopped, and it kind of depicts very interestingly the electromagnetic network of sensory information which travels through nerves from head to toe. And this is interesting because I would believe, or I would think that metacognition is about learning to observe this flow of thoughts, feelings, and awareness, such that we are able to relate what we are observing and learning or knowing to the person who we are, and then to correlate it to the audience, to our audience, who may be a person related by in a social circumstance or in a framework of learning where somebody is trying to explain to the person who is wanting to understand, or simply having a conversation. So that's my take on metacognition, the way I see it. It was interesting for me to observe that Google also returned my own visual explanation of metacognition in the terms of this picture, which is uploaded on the learningspecialist.ca blog that I have, and this I would be explaining this image in a future video, but it was interesting that Google returned this picture for metacognition as well.